really well. Oh, we got a caller on the line, John from Philly. How are you, my friend?
Larry, I'm very good. Let me be courteous and have you finish your thought, and then ask you the question I had.
That was my thought, so you're courteous enough. Go ahead, my friend.
Very good. Hey, tell me this. I know you went up to Winnipeg back in the '60s to trade gold futures when they traded up there. So you know the deep history. What year, please, did COMEX start trading gold futures in New York? What was that, please?
1972.
Excellent.
1972, and then the Merc came out with it in the early '80s. But 1972 was COMEX when it first began trading.
So that means we are now, 46 years into COMEX gold futures trading?
Yeah, my memory's not as good, but I know it was either 72 or 73 because Nixon took us off the gold standard, and that right after that, I mean, they were already trading gold anyway, but they just made it legal. But I believe it was within a few weeks or a month of when they took it off, they were ready to go. So it was very, very close to that.
Legal is the operative word here. Yes. Anyway. Larry, just in your previous thought, in mentioning what gold's done since that May 20th low, not going down, but not going up either, I share with you a candidate for a reason that explains why it hasn't gone up, at least not yet.
Love to hear it. Fire away, my friend.
And, yes, since 1972, when COMEX gold futures began trading. That now means 46 calendar years. If one simply does the math, which I've done, one sees that in the entire 12-month year, any given year, on average, there is one definitive seasonal tendency for lows that's quite dominant. Of course, it doesn't happen every year, but July 1st, plus or minus a couple of weeks, is the average seasonal low for gold price.
That's good information to know, John.
So perhaps the reason gold has not gone up is because that seasonal pressure is in effect here. And if that's relieved, in the next couple of weeks, perhaps that's the reason why gold price will rally, starting now or very soon. So I just wanted to share that idea with you.
That's very good information, John. And if you've got anything statistically, send it on to me, and I'll share it with the folks tomorrow. And because I like seasonal work, and I still look at Steve Moore's work out of Oregon, of course, but I wasn't really aware of that. But I'm certainly going to look into it. I'll check with Jim Twentyman today because he does some seasonal work too. But thank you for your information. You know how much I respect what you do, so keep up the good work. You've done some great things for the folks here at TFNN.
Thanks for introducing HEMA to us all. Appreciate it.
Met her when she was 8 years old. She was trading pork bellies back then. No, not really, but anyway. Well, thanks for John, and I certainly enjoy having you on the show here. It's really a lot of fun. So, Mr. Z, thank you so much. You bet.